PRGS stock analysis tomorrow and onward. This is for Wednesday. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Progress Software Corporation had a pretty decent increase in price, which I love. But let's look at the broader picture, because people are ultra focused on the lower time frame, but I'm a very big fan. Yo, taking that back. What are my drawings? Gonna get rid of all the old ones. Gonna mark up the high here. I'm a big fan of this break. So all that's really left for me is to still double down this bullish chart in a way where it's gonna look to take new higher highs, but only if there's like a little correction or something. Because currently right now buying it just makes no sense to me, at least me right now. It's obviously not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. Everything else is pure noise. And I'm really curious to have nothing there, which is totally fair. Goodbye and enjoy.